I'm so grateful for you. It's Thanksgiving, a time for us to be grateful, and I am grateful for each one of you. I'm author Candace May with the book Candace, Heaven Within, Restoring Wholeness for Better Leadership. And thanks to you, this book became a bestseller in the United Kingdom, Australia, France, Germany, India, the United States, and we have tons of friends there in Canada as well. So thank you so much for your love and support. I hope you're reading the book. Leave your reviews on Amazon. And for those of you who haven't yet obtained the book, please download a book this week, the week of Thanksgiving in the United States, November 21st through Cyber Monday. You'll be able to get a discounted version on the price of Heaven Within, Restoring Wholeness for Better Leadership.